Now, on to the business of the day. How can you relieve your baby of that hiccups? How do you do that naturally? Number one tip is to pop during feeding. Now, I know you normally pop your baby after feeding, but why don't you pause and what? Pop your baby and feed after. It might help to relieve that air that will cause hiccups later. Number two, hold your baby tight for 30 to 20 minutes after feeding. Like, let them sit upright. Hold them afterward feeding. Do not rush to go and lay your baby on the bed after feeding. It will help the milk to settle down and also help to avoid hiccups later.